This is the Bluelab One pH EC pen. It's a combination EC pH meter. I want to mix up fertilizers, often taking a raw salt, doing a concentrate, and diluting that with my tap water. So I want to be able to tell my EC and pH of those solutions in order to make it the right concentration. So this is high EC, .6. When I'm watering plants, I'm typically in the 2 to 3 range. So I'll have to add some water to bring that pH and EC into a range that I can feed my plants. And this pen allows me to do it with one device instead of both an EC and pH separately.